Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add your mailing address on your TurboTax app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just click here on personal info here, click on it. So then it's going to show for us list like this. You click here on continue here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you come here to contact info here, you click on edit here. So then when you click here on edit, it's going to take you to this list here. You just switch into open video. So then when it's going to open video here can you add your mailing address if you want to add your type of mailing address here or your address and here. So your city here or state or zip code or phone number here, can you add all this, and you click here on continue, then it's going to add video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.